I'm gonna be showing you in this video how to search eBay for hottest selling items and prices. Now I'm gonna be showing you exactly how you can find winning products on eBay. So this is a new feature eBay introduced inside your eBay store. You will be able to search for hottest items inside your eBay. Like I said, you don't need to use third-party softwares like very popular. You already know these companies. Now you just need to log in and click on selling, and then you want to click here on research and click on product research. Now here you will be able to search for keywords. Okay, so if you enter here, for example, you are interested in toys or makeup products or whatever, and you want to know what's selling in the last 30 days, you can do just that. Now if you click here, I'm going to search for toys, for example, and I'm going to search here for in the last 30 days. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to reload this page, and I'm going to search for toys like I said. And here you can change the time frame, for example, in the last 90 days, and here you just need to search for the keywords and then click on research. Now what this is going to do is it will scan any product that was listed on eBay in the last 90 days. And if you check this box where it says show sales trends here, as you can see here, if you toggle this on, it will show you the most successful listings in the last 90 days that were sold. Now here you will be able to see the number of sales. As you can see in this it says here total sold. You will be able to see just that. If you click here, you will be able to see the number sold, and also this was successful in just the last 90 days. You can change the time frame, for example, to in the last 2 years or in the last 7 days. The one I use most of the time is in the last 30 days. And you can also search by category if you are interested or you are selling on eBay a specific category. You can just search for it here, and you will be able to find products that are related to your business, and then you can find these products and list them on your eBay. So this is exactly, guys, how you can find winning products inside eBay without using any software, because these softwares cost you money without really doing anything. So this tool will do everything you need. So another way, guys, is you can search here. If you just click on eBay search, you can search for the products that you are interested in, and you want to see the sold items related to the keyword, for example, toys. If you click here where it says sorry, I'm going to make this smaller. Just scroll down and you will be able to see more filters. Just click on it. Now if you click on more filters, you will be able to search more accurately, if that makes sense. You will be able to customize this, and you want to avoid, for example, certain age when you are searching, for example, or you want to include a certain brand here. Or you can also cast the price. You can search by under $14 or above over $30, or condition. If you want to search only for used items, you can just click on used. Now after that, after you customize this, you can also search by item location. You can just do China, for example, if you want to search for China, or US. And you can also search by zip code if you want to find sellers in your area that are using the same location as yours. The shipping options here, you can search by shipping options. After you customize this, click on apply, and then you will be able to find winning products that are available in your area, for example, or that got sales in the last few days. Now if you click here on sold items, here eBay will show you only successful items that were sold and they are getting sales. Okay, so that way you can easily see which items are selling, which items not selling, so that you can have an idea exactly what to sell. Yeah, so if this one helped you, I hope this helped you, guys. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to everyone. Just let me know in the comments what are your questions, and drop a like. I'm trying to hit 5 likes on this tutorial, and yeah, see you guys in the next tutorial.